day, student. How are you doing? Welcome to another class. Today we'll be looking at SQL. We started this discussion in the previous lesson when we talked about relational model. And we said in relational model we use a language called the structured query language. Today we'll be looking at this objective. When we say SQL, what do we mean? How do we enforce SQL data definition language in relation? We're going to apply constraint over relation. Now, SQL, just a recap of the definition. We said it is a structured query language. And when you're talking about relation that is stable, you have to bring in this when you're working with your MySQL server and so many other applications. So quickly, let's look at the data definition language. Remember in the last class we talked about the groups which the SQL languages is classified into. We have the data definition, we have the manipulation, and so on. Now, looking at the data definition, we have the create. Remember we said definition, so you want to design it. You're just designing, you just want to create, you want to drop, you want to alter. When you say, you want to modify it. So, going to creating tables using the structured query language, we said this is used to create table, unlike a normal database in Access where you click tables, you click on prepared tables designed themselves. You have to give a command to create that table, and that's what we have here. So you just follow this syntax. Create table, you give the table name, the column, depending on the number of columns you want, and that. And this other one is where you can apply constraint. What do I mean by constraint? A particular field you want it to accept only letters, while another field you want to accept only pictures, and so on. So that's what we're talking about there. Now, what are the common data types we're going to use when creating all these syntax? We have the child as the characters string, the variable length character string, and the number. Some call it integers. We have the date and the number size. The D there is the digit, where you can easily define the digits you want to allow. Now let's look at this example. Having created a database, now create a table called employee with 5 fields, first name, last name. Okay, now how do we put this? How do we structure it out? And we're going to have the table. So all you need to do is just give the command create. This is the command you are using here, create. Create table employee. Remember the question says called employee. That's what we are creating. So create table employee with 5 fields. Now these are your fields. These are your fields. Now we want to give a constraint to a particular field, which is ID. This field, they want to give a constraint to it, and it will be our primary key. So that is what we've just done here. And all this that you are seeing here is, the data type we've used and defining the number of values that it can accept. All right, we're going to stop here for today. In the next class, we'll continue with more languages in the structured query language, and we look at more examples. Join me in the Google class if you have any questions. Have a nice day.